So, what we're really watching here, I'm not quite sure. It looks to be. I've been watching this guy for a couple of hours now. Make sure that he's not going to die on us. But he has been flopping around and pretty much been in that same position, with his head in different, to the left, to the right. Uh, he'll sort of collapse and go into kind of a coma for a few seconds, and then he'll move, and he's up and he's across. He At one point he took a shot of something. It was pretty dark, so I couldn't really figure out what it was. But he's definitely a little agitated. So, and I have no idea who he is or where he is. Um, we could make a little bit of a guess here. Well, my time zone right now is Pacific, so it's 9 a.m. Assuming that this guy is in North America, he's more than likely either in the Eastern time zone, Central or Mountain, maybe, probably not in the Pacific because most people on here are not. So let's assume that his time zone right now is say 10 a.m. to noon. And if you look at his room, it's pretty dark, even though it's obviously sunny outside. You see the oh, you can't see the blinds. Let me see if I can make a look. You can see the blinds there. I'll make a change there. The blinds are reflecting sun, and this guy is he's out of it. Whoever he is, he's just out of it. And I don't know why he's filming himself in this situation. I have no idea. But if I look at him, I see probably a young person, young male, extremely overweight to the point of being obese, extremely overweight, looking extremely unhealthy as well because of it. Um, I can assume again that his situation is predicated on an abuse of probably alcohol, food. More likely, he probably takes in a lot of sugar and nothing else. Plus, from the alcohol, lots of sugar. He's probably diabetic. Um, the fact that he's moving around like that so much means he's obviously not passed out on alcohol. He must have something else in his system. So I'm going to assume something chemical like cocaine. Let's just throw cocaine in there just for good measure, and let's see what he does. He just seems to be literally just sitting there, lying there, and being not much of a not much of a party animal, let's say. But this is the result of a mixture of alcoholism, depression, bad diet. I'm assuming there's more to it, like that cocaine that I was referring to, because I would I would say that if he was passed out on just alcohol, if he'd was been binging on alcohol and he was lying there, I don't think he'd be moving and twitching like that. He'd just be out. so that moving around and twitching and waking up and looking around is weird. It's weird. This is going on. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? What's going on? The question is, how long do we watch this? How long is this going to be interesting? Is this a is this something that really needs to be recorded and really needs to be conserved, captured, archived? Maybe it as an educational message to others. I mean, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Big fat stomach. Oh, let's see if we can get somebody in here who can talk about this. Look at this guy. Big fat gut sticking out. Anyone know who he is? Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it at all. Perhaps we'll get someone to join us momentarily and talk to us about who they think this person is. That would be good. But kind of weird. I'm watching for life signs all the time, even though he's supposed to be passed out. But luckily, he's twitching. So if anybody really is concerned about this individual, there's not much I can help you with. I don't know who he is. I don't know where he is. Not a clue. All right, so I'll be continuing to watch this guy. If things change, I'll bring him to you. I'll bring you the changes. All right. Looks like he's out for the count. Okay. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Tell me what you think. Is this something that needs to be brought to anyone's attention? What kind of reaction do you think we should spread? What kind of reaction do you have? Is obesity and addiction a part of